valley concrete, a wooden wall, a couple things. How old would you say a baby is? Huh? No. Look, when they hatch, they're that big.
Oh.
No hunting and no trespass. Private dangerous. Close enough?
And they're all the same though, right? When they lay 100 eggs, they'd be all males, right? There's no...
Possible.
Yeah.
Most of the time, they're all the same.
It's the talking about the line?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Throw somebody overboard. We gotta throw people overboard wearing light colors. That way they can see it pretty good. Because alligators really see in black and white.
He's hungry.
All animals are like that.
Oh my god, he is just the sweetest little thing.
I would never call an alligator sweet.
Oh, poor thing.
It's
Look.
a baby.
He's just a little...
Oh, no.
No, he wouldn't. He wants a marshmallow.
Y'all know what to do about fall over, right?
No. We leave you here.
Easy. Easy. Oh. Easy. Oh.
He's got to take care of that alligator.
Fresh leg. Oh. Do I look scared?
He's
His mouth is...
eyeing that.
Easy. Easy. Oh. That's a real problem. If that water's cold. Easy.
I think he's hunting you. He's trying to pet him.
Easy.
Trying to give him a leg. Oh gosh, she's big.
Oh my god.
There's 3 now.
Oh, you can count, huh? But I see 4.
There's another one coming, and there was one still hiding in the monster.
Well, that would make 5 then. Oh! Easy. Easy.
There's another one coming too close.
He just throws it right in his mouth. Then he pets him. Oh, there's the 4th one.
Where we tell our good tour guides from the baddest about how many fingers they have left.
Yeah.
Easy. Easy.
Oh.
Oh!
This one's got the idea, the other one's not so sure about this.
Oh my god.
I have to be able to recognize. That's the way I keep my fingers.
Which one's going to be dinner?
Easy.
Oh my goodness.
Easy.
Oh, he misses.
Overshot me. Come on. Easy. Oh. Easy. That's my leg you're looking at.
Oh my gosh.
My leg.
Pull him onto the
Oh
boat.
my god.
It's like a dog.
We think about everybody being afraid of alligators, but it's more like the other way around. Alligators are afraid of you.
Unless you have marshmallows.
We eat a hell of a lot more alligators than they eat humans. Yeah, I think we're going to see some alligators there. We talked about that before. It's a little too little to be probing on. I think there's laws against that. They're all up in the air.
And that's the trip to the Louisiana swamps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like if you haven't already. And see you in the next video.